Hello and welcome to an unboxing video. Today I am opening up something which I have brought for myself to help me in my flat at university, where I have a wooden floor and the hoover that has been provided for us to use is very bad at cleaning it. And so I thought I'd buy myself a solution. I feel like an adult. I've just brought myself a hoover, but not just any hoover. This is an ecovacs deebot N79S, which is a robotic vacuum cleaner. And I've just brought it from CEX or KEX or however you say it. It's rated grade A, which means that it should be like new. And yeah, okay, so I'm going to stop filming for a second. I'm going to take off this black wrapping around the outside of the box and then I'll see what's inside. Yuck, look at all of this plastic that they used to wrap it. That is an awful lot. But inside we have what looks like the original box. It says deebot on it. It's ecovacs robotics. So how am I going to get in? I'm not sure. Right, so there's tape going around the side. I have my scissors. I'm going to just try and score it open and see what can be done. Right. No, that did not work very well. I'm not using very sharp scissors. I'm slightly nervous about cutting into this because I don't know what the packaging is like. I don't know what's... Hopefully there won't be anything inside that I can cut. Okay, so there's another layer of cardboard in there. I see. So if I tear that there, and then I can get this top bit up. So yeah, robot vacuum cleaners are they're not, most of them are not currently good enough to actually replace a normal hoover. That isn't why I'm getting this. This isn't why I've got this, rather. The reason for me getting this is because it's hardwood floors basically are very difficult to keep clean. The hoover that they provide us has a taped on attachment, which is good for carpet, but you can't take it off and use a different attachment, and because they've taped it on for some reason, and that also means you can't do corners and edges very well, and this is what this kind of device is meant to be good at. So I'm going to stop filming for a second, try and get into this inner box. Right, so here's my pile of useless packaging, and here is the actual box. So it's a deebot N79S, and here has a tag which says open. So if I take that off, lift that up, I'm guessing push that across there. Oh, okay, fine. So it's upside down. Oh bother. Right, so if maybe I should close up again, flip it over so that it is that way up. Ignore. Oh, look, there we go. There's a picture of it on top, and a cat toy. Right, let's see what's inside. Oh, it's another piece of cardboard. Is there another box? Please tell me there isn't another box. The packaging pile is massive and it's making me feel very guilty. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a really nice quality piece of cardboard. I might use that for crafting something. And inside we have what looks like a basically mint condition, which is what it should be. Deebot N79S. So we have an instruction manual. Fantastic. Might get to that at some point. Let's look at the stuff around the edge. So this is remote control. Amazing. So this device can be controlled with the remote. I think it should also be possible to set it up on my phone. But yeah, so we have a remote control which has batteries in it, clearly because it is running. Yeah, I'll probably want to change those for rechargeable ones, but there we go. Nice. So this is it's a remote with a little screen on it. So I've got no idea how to program stuff with this. Let's put it to one side. And what is this fella here? So, oh, I know what this is. I saw people were very happy with this in the reviews. I think this is a brush cleaner. So you can just use it to scrape out bits of hair or whatever that get caught in the roller. And it's a little picture of a hand being stabbed with something. I'm not sure what that is. I wonder if that will become clear later on. Right, what's this? Oh, right, just power supply. And now I think we're on to the actual... Oh, there's an empty plastic wrapper. Oh no, that's the one that had the remote in. That's fine. So, here it is. Oh, brilliant. Okay, these are little side brushes. This is one of the reasons why it's so good on where they're meant to be good on hard floors, is that as well as having a roller, they also have these little brushes which go like, you know, spin round, push things towards the roller to you know, make bits. Okay, so back. Sorry, I'm having phone storage problems. So this is the second spare brush. You can see it's got a little bit of a bent bristle there. I'm hoping that won't be too much of a problem. So what else? Oh, we have some batteries. So in the reviews it did say that it came with spare battery. It came with batteries provided for the remote, and yet the remote already had batteries in. But of course, this has been owned by somebody else, so it's possible that this is. I mean, it doesn't look like they did too much in terms of actually opening it up or anything. But yeah, it looks like they put in their own batteries into the remote. But nice to have some spares. So here we have this piece. This is the charging dock. It's just nice and small actually. And so this will connect to the power supply, and the robot will come here to charge itself. And finally, the beast itself. So more plastic wrapping, unfortunately. Piece of foam to cover the top, and there it is. I'll put the camera down for just a second. Right, oh, okay, here it is. And I have to say, the condition looks absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's still in the wrapper. I don't think it's actually ever been charged. It's never been turned on. Like, it still has this tape over it, and it still has the tape over these buttons on top. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh, and on the bottom we have, so this is the actual rollerblade like you would have on a normal hoover. Got the little tread wheels, little front wheel. I couldn't think what to call it. You know, rubbish compartment, which can be emptied. And then there are these two places to attach these onto. So I think they just clip on like that. And like that. Right, and there we go. Here it is. Okay, so now I'm going to stop filming. I'm going to look through some instructions. I'm going to try and get this set up, and then I'll try and get some footage of it working for you. Right, amazing. I'm really excited. And yeah, hopefully I'll get it working quite soon. Hopefully it won't be too complicated. And I'll see you then. Docking procedures beginning. Docking complete. See, if she carries on like that, yeah, under the table, out the other side, and then hopefully she'll realise that she's close. She's going for it. And she's charging.